Hello again, my fellow students. We are here with another video of Double Award Science. This time, we are starting our first lesson of Unit 2, Structure and Functions in Living Organisms. This is Section A, Level of Organization, and it is the first and only lesson of this subtopic. So let's start. Here is the title, and make sure to note that this specification is for Pearson Edexcel IGS-CSE in Science Double Award. Okay, here are our learning objectives. By the end of this video, you should be able to describe the levels of organization in organisms. First of all, you have organelles, cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. Here are the level of organization from my anthology or like workbook. That's the student shit. Anyways, all right. So here is the pyramid that I actually made of levels of organization. So first of all, you have the organelles that assemble together to create a cell, and many cells join each other to create tissues. These tissues work together to form organs who perform a specific task with other organs to create organ systems. So it's just about, adding and adding. Actually, before organelles, we have atoms, but we didn't cover that in my lesson, so I just passed that because I'm guessing Double Award Science doesn't really have to know about that. Anyways, first of all, let's look at our organelle. It is a specialized subunit within a cell that has a function and is enclosed within a membrane. So, for example, the cell nucleus is an organelle, the mitochondria is an organelle, etc. But it's not the cell completely, it's small components that join each other to form a cell, but it's independent. Secondly, we have our cell. It's the structural and functional unit of all known living things, the small unit of an organism that is classified as a living thing. Because remember, bacteria are, always single-celled. I'm thinking, I guess. And that is the smallest living thing known. Organelles are not living things, but organelles group together to form a cell are. Okay, so I just wanted to show you a few examples about cells. Some are multicellular, such as animals, plants, fungi, like mucor. Those are all multicellular. Oh, wait. There we go, sorry for that. So, some are also unicellular, such as single-celled algae, single-celled yeast, bacteria, and Protoctis. So yes, bacteria are single-celled, as you can see here. They are, yeah. Okay, third of all, we have tissues. So tissues are a group of our cells, not necessarily identical, but from the same origin that work together to carry out a specific function. There are 4 types of tissue. We have epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. And from here, I found an image from a Fuse School video. Here are the 4 examples. Nervous tissue, so they're very different. Firstly, we have organs. So it's a group of tissues that perform a specific function or group of functions. Okay, so for example, our heart. It has, I'm not really sure the kind of tissue, but there's plenty of different tissues here. You have the tissue that creates a vein, the vena cava, I believe this one is. And you have the tissue that that makes the heart. They connect together to make an organ which pumps blood around the body, to the lungs and to the body. So, the brain, for example, etc. Fifthly and finally, we have organ systems. So it's a group of organs that work together as a biological system to perform one or more particular functions. So, like our digestive system, it carries out the function to digest our food and to nourish our body from the energy given by the food and the nutrients given by the food. We have the cardiovascular system, which I kind of talked about in the last slide, about like pumping, blood around the body, etc. Muscle to make us move, muscular system to make us move. So organs combine to make an organ system. Picture from Cognito. And yeah, you just have a few organ systems here. Okay, and this forms an organism, which is an individual living system such as an animal, plant, fungus, or microorganism. So organisms have to have the characteristics of Mrs. Granny that we looked at in my first biology video. So we have some examples: whales, frogs, plants, bacteria, etc., etc. Alright, so as a plenary or a bit of a summary, I want you to identify as many cell structures as possible. So please pause the video and do so. Okay, so here are the answers to this task. I hope you got the main of them correct. It isn't really that bad if you didn't get all of them correct. It's fine. You'll find some great other videos, not particularly on my channel, but on YouTube to help you with this. But anyways, I hope your revising is doing well and what you're revising for goes well as well. Anyways, that is it for this video. So please make sure to like it, and I would really, really appreciate a subscribe, even if, I don't know, I don't really have many subscribers. You could join our little nation. Anyways, bye-bye.